Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make $100 online per day. And this is something that I do every single day, and I've been doing it for years now. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that you can do to start making money online is something called taking surveys. This is where companies will pay you for your opinion. For example, if you're interested in cars, they might ask you what you think about the new Toyota Corolla. And based on your answer, they may adjust some of the features on the car, or even the price tag. Now, this isn't going to make you rich by any means. It's not going to change your life, but it's a very easy way to make an extra $100. There are plenty of websites online where you can sign up and start taking surveys today. One of my favorites is called swagbucks.com. They have tons of different surveys you can choose from, and they also have other ways to earn money like watching videos and playing games. You get paid in what's called SB points, which you can then redeem for gift cards or cash via PayPal. On average, you can expect to earn around $10 to $20 per survey, and they have daily earning limits. As you can see here, yesterday I was able to complete a survey for $17.63. And as you can see here, another one for $15.35. So depending on how many surveys you take, you can easily make an extra $100 per day. Another website I recommend is called Survey Club. Survey Club is a newer site, and I've been able to make quite a bit of money on it. You search for your username on Google, you'll be able to find out how much money you've made from all the different surveys you've taken. As you can see, I was able to make over $2,000 on Survey Club. No, 2 cashback websites. Did you know that you're probably leaving money on the table every time you shop online? What I mean by this is that there are tons of websites that will give you a percentage of your money back for shopping at certain stores. For example, let's say you want to buy a pair of shoes from Nike. If you click on the link on Rakuten before you purchase the shoes, you'll get 4% of your money back. And as you can see here, they also offer $35 free sign-up bonus. This is essentially a free $35 gift card just for signing up. So when you combine the $35 with the 4% cash back, you'll effectively be able to save $40 on your purchase. There are tons of different websites like this, and it's usually good to compare them side by side so that you can make sure you're getting the best deal. So for example, if you were to go on Honey and then search for Nike, you would see that you'd get 8% off when you spend $75 or more. And they also have a student exclusive deal where you get 20% off when you spend $75 or more. So as you can see, these deals change all the time, so it's important to check them regularly. You can also download their browser extension so that you don't have to go on the website every time you shop online. So whenever you're buying something, it will automatically notify you if there is a better deal available. Now when it comes to getting paid, Rakuten pays out within a few days, and they have a low threshold, so you can cash out as soon as you reach $5. No, 3. Sell stock photos. Have you ever thought about selling stock photos? This is where you can upload photos you take to websites like Shutterstock and iStock. People who are looking to buy images for their projects can then purchase the rights to use your photo. This can be a great way to make passive income, because you only have to upload the photos once. You can continue to make money from them for years. The amount of money you make depends on the quality of your photos and how often they re-downloaded. But if you're able to get your photos out there and get some traction, you can easily make an extra $100 per day. And the best part about this is that you can do it completely for free. All you need is a camera and an internet connection. I personally use a free stock photo website called pixels.com for participate in user testing. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to get paid to test websites? It's exactly what user testing is. Companies are always looking for people to test their websites and give feedback so that they can improve the user experience. You can sign up on websites like usertesting.com and start getting paid to test websites today. They typically pay $10 per test, and each test should take around 20 minutes. So if you were to do 3 tests per day, you could easily make an extra $30. These tests are usually pretty straightforward, and all you have to do is click around the website and let them know what you think. Now, this isn't going to make you rich by any means, but it can be a great way to make some extra cash on the side. Plus, it's a really easy job. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. Number 5. Start a blog. Starting a blog can be a great way to make money online. With a blog, you can share your thoughts, experiences, and expertise with the world and potentially make money while doing it. The way that most bloggers make money is through ads. For example, if you have a popular blog about cooking, you can sign up for an ad program. When people read your blog and click on the ads, you'll get paid a small commission. Now, I understand that starting a blog may seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. There are platforms that allow you to start a blog in just a few minutes for free. One of the most popular ones is called WordPress.com. Another platform that I love is called Medium. I've been able to grow multiple six-figure earning blogs on Medium, and it's a great place to start. Number 6. Create an online course. If you're an expert in something, why not share your knowledge with the world and make money while doing it? Creating an online course is easier than ever thanks to platforms like Teachable and Thinkific. These platforms allow you to create and host your courses online so that anyone in the world can access them. You can charge a one-time fee for the course, or you can set up a subscription so that people have access to the course for a monthly or yearly fee. The best part about this is that once you create the course, you can sell it over and over again without having to do any work. You can also create free courses and sell other products in the description. I have a free course on YouTube that has over 100,000 students, and it has helped me sell over $1 million worth of coaching. No. 7. Offer your services on Fiverr. Fiverr is a website where people go to buy services. You can sign up and offer your services starting at $5. For example, you could offer services like writing, graphic design, web design, and the list goes on. Once you've set up your profile, people can browse your services and hopefully hire you. The great thing about Fiverr is that you can set your own rates, and you can decide which services you want to offer. So if you're good at something, why not try it out and make some money? Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something new. If you did, please leave a like on the video and subscribe to my channel. I post videos every single week on how to make money online. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.